Are you looking for a branded survey platform to make a lot of money from? Then you are in the right place, because in this video I'll be showing you an app in which you can turn your opinion into cash. This app is an AI powered app which you can just have to sign up by either using your phone number or your email, make surveys and play games, and you can start earning. Withdrawing your money into cash is very easy. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Basi Ejubajon. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel we talk about everything about finance and how to make money online as a Nigerian. So today's video I'll be showing you an app in which you can use to make money just through surveys. And if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I upload a video like this. Without wasting much time, first of all, head on to Google Chrome. You head on to Google Chrome and you input this keyword known as multiples on the screen, as you can see there, multipolls. That is multiples. And as you can see on the screen, you click on, if you want to click on the first one, it will take you directly to their Google Google Play Store, where you can either download the app or you can click on the second link so that you can get more updates on how the app works. So for multiple is AI powered, and for you to make money on multiple, like I said, that multiple is AI powered and it's a survey for cash platform. So as you can see on the screen, you just have to join their community and turn your opinions and free time into what? Real earning. You can get the app only on Google Play Store. That means it's not available for iPhone users. So as you can see here, it says it's a platform where you can just make surveys, you can participate in polls, and you can also enjoy games that is in the app. You can just be playing game and you'll be making money. As you can see, you can earn, you cash out, and you impact. You can earn money anywhere, and it's a straightforward cash out. Now, how do I make money, or how do I withdraw my money from multiples? There are two ways in which you can withdraw your money from multiples. The first one is directly as cash, and the second one is through gift card. And all the gift cards that you know is being allowed on this platform. We have Amazon gift card, we have Steam gift card, iTunes gift card, and the rest. They are all allowed on this platform, and they have a 4.6 star rating on Google Play Store and trusted by thousands of people. So you can just head on to Google Play Store and type in multiples, or you can decide to take through Google Chrome just like I did. You follow up this step by step. You have to log in, put in your phone number and your name, and you will be registered on the platform. That's after you download the app and you can start making. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, subscribe to our channel, share these videos so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop a new video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.